This is a message to my black men and black women. Never, never let any other race try to hurt your people. Never. So we must start love one another as we love ourselves.
I am
Stand
the
up
king.
and fight.
I'm the king.
Fight with all our
I've
might.
been telling you I'm the king.
Never let no one hurt
Look.
my people.
Africa is waking up.
Never.
I've been
This is what
telling
I'm
them
saying.
for so long.
We are the
All
first
these
man
dead leaders
and first
need to
woman.
wake up and kick out all the white men out of my grandfather's land, which is called El Kabilan. Finally, they are paying attention. And we, the black men in the Western world, sit silently and not say nothing. Do you know how long I've been telling these dead leaders to wake up? Take away the land from the white man? Do you know how long? And one of my brother are waking up the dead leaders. Yes. And they should take example of what he's doing. As I said in past program, look man, if you got land and you plant your grains, you can feed your whole family. So if we take the land away from the white man, we the woolly men, if we take the land away from them, we would not be in any problem. But some of the black men want to kiss up with the white man. They are not your friends. Listen. They're playing Santa Claus with you. Like Santa Claus play with the children when it comes to Christmas. They do not mean you any good. Hello? And the brother is rising up. We got to gather around him and let him wake up the rest of dead leaders. Do you know how long I've been telling these dead African leaders to wake up? I guess they're too old, they can't understand what I'm saying. That's what I'm talking about. Plant grains. So when the white men see you planting grains, he say, whew, they surely overcome. They got to come and buy our grains. Instead of talking bullshit, wife swapping and Jesus and God. That's not going to help us. Huh? Talking them stories not going to help us. We need to take the land away from the white man and give it to our people so we can plant grains and have food abundantly for our people. That's all I'm saying. Why you cannot all understand what I'm saying? Is it that hard? I don't think so. I don't think so. Yes. The man is planting grains, planting all type of food for his people. And once we realize that, then we should gather around him. You know, there's a lot of threat in his life already. And his own people will try to get rid of him. Because some of them don't like what he's doing. Did you hear what I just said? Some of his own black people do not like what he's doing. They think he's doing wrong. Just the way I'm talking. You think I'm talking wrong? And that's what I'm saying. He don't want a lot of money. You don't see him in suits and tie. That's not what he's all about. So we got to rise up behind him. And anyone try to hurt him, we should stand up. Look, I've been saying this for a long time. Look, if those white people kill one of our people, we should kill 1,000 of their people. Don't play no bullshit game with them. Because their plan is to destroy you. How are they going to destroy you? Take the land away from you so you can have no land to plant grains, to have food for your children. It's very simple. You saw what they did with the people that were living here. They take the land away from them and kill them. Why do you think that we not do that with you? Hello? Why do you think that we not do that with the woolly man in this present time? They're not afraid. They got big time plan. And the plan that they have is not to play around with you. That's not their plan. Straight up. So we got to take care of ourselves and these people that you see right here, those people are the one that making world decisions. And the hard white people, France, Germany, Denmark, Finland, England, Canada, United States, they all gather there to make decisions for the world. You don't see one woolly man there. Huh? You do not see one woolly man there. And that's what I'm talking about. And they all gather to make world decisions. Huh? They gather to make world decisions to control everything. What do you mean by everything? The gold, the diamond, you know, the gold that you wear. They try to control all of that gold from the ground. And all the diamond. And it's all in Africa. And look at my diamond. It's a small little one. And I can't afford to have a big one. And it's all in the land of Canaan, in my grandfather's land. And we're playing Santa Claus with the white man. Oh, it's not going to work like that. Hello? It's not going to work like that. So we got to rise up and stick behind the brother. So nobody try to hurt him. If we don't do that, we're going to be in trouble. Lot of trouble. Because he's planting grains for his people to have food abundantly.
We must love each other.
And we have some so-called Negroes out there that will try
No other race
to hurt him.
hurt any one of us. Our children,
So he's setting an example for the rest
others, never
of
let no other
dead leaders to wake up.
people. We got to stand up
Our sleeping leaders, wake up and do the same.
fight.
So we can go back home.
As I said unto you,
And we will not die from starvation because every one of the
fight for our
country have food for our people.
no other race kill our
And we can go there and also plant grains, build cars.
I'm saying to you.
I can build cars, you can build house. We can do all of that.
Each other, black women,
Because we are the first people
save
that
the children.
read the stars of the element.
Listen what I'm saying. Save
So if we can do that, we can do anything.
sudden destruction.
Huh? If we can do that, we can do anything.
Moving in on our race.
So we got to rally around him
No. Kill our brother.
straight up
No. Listen to me
and let him set an example for the rest of dead sleeping leaders.
carefully. The time has come
That's all I'm saying.
for the black man.
And the Caribbean need to start doing the same thing.
Who he is.
Because our people don't have any food in the Caribbean.
Time is come. Listen.
They have to be getting food from foreign countries. Trinidad, Barbados, Grenada, St. Kitts, St. Martin, St. Vincent. They don't have food.
Around.
Jamaica, Grand Cayman. They don't have food. They don't have food abundantly that they can waste. Like in the United States. Because everybody don't have land to plant grains. And if you have land to plant grains, everybody would have food. When I was growing up, everybody had food in the village. Because all the people have a piece of land. Some have 2 acres, some have 3 acres, some have 1 acre, and they plant all this stuff. Some have a goat, some have chickens, some have a cow. Only 1 and 2 in the village did not have any land for themselves. And what they do is rent the land from some of the people that have abundantly of land. And they plant grain, so they have food. They don't have cash every day, but they got food. They don't have new clothing every day, but they got food. So what I'm saying, we got to wake up. If we don't wake up, we're going to perish. Because the people that is running everything is these white people. They are the one running everything. And they're getting together to make decisions on what to do. Straight up. And if you don't understand what I'm saying, you gotta wake up. And that's why you're not understanding what I'm saying. For over 40 years, I've been telling all these dead leaders in Africa to wake up. And finally, they're hearing what I'm saying. They're understanding. So let's rally around the brother and see to it no harm come to him. Straight up. Let's rally around him and see to it no harm come to him. That's what I'm talking about.
We will be the lost man and
Anyone try
woman
to hurt him,
to leave the face of the
take
earth.
revenge.
Because we are the original man.
We gotta take revenge.
And don't you forget
Let the hurt
this
water
word,
of good
what I said unto
times
you.
that rise up.
We must
And
love
try to put it
each
down.
other
We have to take revenge on our
as we
knees.
love
Through
ourselves.
tardy,
Let
I
no
will call
other
you.
race,
our temptation of time.
any one of us,
If you can't
our
overcome one
children,
thing, that's too
our
bad.
grandmother, our
Peace and
grandfathers, never, never let no other race hurt your people. We got to stand up